Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be continuing with part 2 of the 3-ingredient recipe. I got it off of Buzzfeed. So if you haven't watched the other one, I'm gonna leave it in the icon so that you can go check it out. So this is a peanut butter cookie recipe. So with 3 ingredients. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
Yeah guys, so as I said, this is gonna be a 3-parter. The next one is gonna be coming next week, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you do and you want me to make more of them, comment down below, make more, and also give it a thumbs up, and I will be sure to make more 3-ingredient videos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Go make yourself some cookies and enjoy. And guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are gonna be down in the description box down below. And guys, until next time, bye.